No, you don't know anything. It's better thing.
Nah, that one fan pass.
No, but that one they tell you.
See, guy, nah, that one.
They tell you something. Say no, this one. See this chicken.
Buy me a bumbo. Only Wizzy baby be your daddy up. Because me I don't get time. Buy me a bumbo. Baby don't kill my vibe. Buy me a bumbo. Shall we go back?
This guys.
Yes.
Guys, please, I just want you to help me push my car.
Now I'll go kill you.